Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway, the day 3 of my 10-day cruise here. We're in our first port still. Today's our last day here at Cocoa Beach. I'm going to get breakfast on the ship here. I'm going to O'Sheehan's, I think it's called. It's an Irish pub, but it's open 24/7, and I'm in the mood for a quick breakfast. Don't feel like going up to the buffet, but this is a very casual place. I'm going to bring you guys along. Probably get some French toast or pancakes or something like that. Then I'm going to head over to actually Cocoa Beach. This is the city of Cocoa Beach, but I'm going to actually go to the beach is what I'm trying to say. They have a pier there. They have a historic little village, lots of restaurants and shops and things like that. Maybe take a walk on the beach. It's going to be a fun day. It's hot. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now, and it's already hot and humid. Typical of Florida. It's beautiful right now, but again, typical of Florida. We might have a thunderstorm later, but that's to be expected. Again, it's Florida. Anyway, I'm going to eat and hop on our little shuttle bus. It runs every 15 minutes to and from the beach from the ship here. Nice and convenient. I think the ship is planning to sail away 7 o'clock tonight, so we need to be back on the ship. Well, they actually have a big sign, all aboard sign, as you're leaving the ship. It's probably going to be about 5 o'clock or 5:30 that everyone should be on aboard. So I'll be back by then. So a nice long day in Cocoa Beach. And anyway, I'm getting hungry and lots to do, and I can talk to you guys later. Let's head down to O'Sheehan's and get some breakfast, shall we? Behind me is the Disney Cruise Line terminal. As I said, O'Sheehan's is open 24/7 here on the ship. It's a restaurant that I haven't eaten on yet. Again, I'm only on day 3 here, but it's an Irish pub, and I'm dying to try their fish and chips because, well, it's an Irish pub and I love fish and chips. So maybe I'll get some fish and chips and an ale or something like that. But that's not going to be today. There's a lot to do today, and I got plenty of time to do that. We're walking through the casino now on our way to O'Sheehan's, and as you can see, everything is closed, and that's because we're in port. Cruise ships to casinos close when we're in port due to laws, I guess. But as soon as we set sail tonight at around 7, this place will open up again and be very busy as far as the casino is concerned. And this is one of the largest casinos on the sea, according to Norwegian. We're almost at O'Sheehan's now. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. So this morning I ordered buttermilk pancakes and side of sausage, black coffee, orange juice. That syrup is hot. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. So that's it for my breakfast at O'Sheehan's. It was a light breakfast as far as I'm concerned. There were about 4-inch pancakes and those 2 sausage links. I wanted to eat light because I'm going to be having lunch on Cocoa Beach, as well as I'm doing a lot of walking. So there's a lot of things to see and do on Cocoa Beach, and there's also a lot of distance between those attractions. So I plan on doing all walking, and then I'm going to actually do a walk on the beach, hopefully. So that takes its toll on the legs too. So I didn't want a full stomach. I also plan on visiting Ron John Surf Shop, which I don't know if we have any surfers out there, but it is the largest Ron John Surf Shop. Actually, it's the largest surf shop in the world, with lots of features like waterfalls and things like that, so I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, that's going to be a separate video. Just look for a Cocoa Beach video. I'm not sure if it'll be up by the time this one's up, or just check out the channel and you'll find all these videos there. Thanks for watching this morning, and I will see you later. Take care.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.